What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create URL redirects or custom URL redirects to your Shopify store. So here let's say you have URLs from another like e-commerce platform and you want to import them to like your Shopify store, or to edit the titles for or the URL for your Shopify store pages, or simply to customize your URLs for SEO. So you'll need to know how to create custom URL redirects, also known as 301 redirects. Now let's get right to it. First of all, here I'm on my Shopify store, and to create or upload the URL redirects, you'll need to go to your online store here from the menu on the left, and then click on navigation, and in here you can click on view URL redirects. So if you have created URL redirects in the past, they will show up here. However, I haven't created any since this is a new account. So you have two options. You can import URL redirects from a CSV file. Say if you're already on another e-commerce platform and you have imported your URLs to a CSV file, you can import it here into Shopify, and I'll show you how. Let's click on import. Here you can download a sample CSV template to see the format, how to organize your URL redirects. So I've gone ahead and downloaded this sample file and I've opened it. You can open it in like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. And here are how your custom URL redirects will look like. So you have like redirecting from the old URL and then the new URL that will redirect to. So if a customer or a person types in this URL, he'll be automatically redirected to this one right here. And notice that the domain name isn't like written, because here they assume that all the redirects are within the Shopify.com domain name. So like other pages to your Shopify store, so they assume that the domain name is the same, so it's Shopify.com. So in this case, you will only enter like / the page name. However, if you are importing your URLs from other websites or other domain name, you should of course enter the full domain name here. So here you can enter your URL redirects, so the URL you want to redirect from and the redirect to, and then if you have like many hundreds or maybe thousands of URLs, you can bulk add them here, and you can use of course the Google Sheets or Excel formats or equations to like duplicate or arrange these URL redirects in here. And once you finish your CSV file, you can go ahead and save it, and into your Shopify store you can add this file here to import your URL redirects in bulk. Now that's if you want to add in bulk, or if you have like many URL redirects to add, it's easier to add them in a CSV file in bulk. Now if you have already like a couple of URL redirects, or you want to manually like do them, or if you have only one, you can simply click here to create a URL redirect. And in here you can simply enter the redirect from. So let's say for example, if you have like shop / winter, if you're for winter collection, you can enter a new link. So /shop / collections, if you have in a collection, if you create a new collection for your winter collections, and then you click on create or save a redirect, and here your redirect is now created. You can view it or create another. So if you click on view URL redirects, it'll show up here. Okay, this is shown here. If you click on it, you can edit it or delete it if you want to, and you can create as many URL redirects as you want to, and you can sort them. You can export them as a CSV, of course, or other formats, and you can import URL redirects. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you should follow the Shopify rules for the URL redirects format. So if you go to this help center page, you can search for it on Google. Here you can see some tips on notes on how to create URL redirects. So You cannot redirect URLs that begins with the following prefixes, so like apps, application, cart, carts, orders, shop, or services. And you can't also redirect URLs that use fixed Shopify paths such as products, collections, and also keep that in mind here when you are entering your custom URL redirects. So let's go back to the store. Now, another way to use the URL redirects or to change your URL is that if you go to pages here and choose the page that you want to change the URL or use URL redirect from. And here I have only the contact page, so let's click on it. And then here the can and to see how your page will look in a search preview, let's add a description. So this is a description, okay, anything. So that's how your page will look like in a search. Of course, one of the reasons you want to use URL redirects is to optimize your website or your pages for SEO or search engines. So if I click here to edit website SEO, I can edit the URL redirect. So now this page, the URL is like the domain name, custom domain name /pages /contacts, and I can change it to /contact, for example, us, okay, and then save this URL redirect. So now I've changed the URL and this page was saved. And if I go to the URL redirects here in the navigation, then view URL redirects, now this page is or this URL redirect that I created is shown right here. So redirect from contact to /contact us. As you can see here, the domain name again isn't visible or isn't here because these URL redirects are all from and to the Shopify store, so from within the same domain name. Now, another method to add or edit URL redirects is using an app. So there are apps that help you create or edit URL redirects to prevent 404 error pages and optimize for SEO. So if you click on here on add apps from the menu on the left, and then scroll down, click on Shopify App Store. It'll open in a new tab. And here in the search, just type in URL redirects. Okay, hit enter. And here you can find many apps to do export or to export your data and do URL redirects, such as this one, SC Easy Redirects, that have a free plan available. So if you click on it, you can view the descriptions and experience smooth 301 redirects, which is another name for custom URL redirects here, and quickly fix the errors of frustrating 404 error pages, 404 not found. Okay, and you have 3 plans. The free plan, you can do bulk 404 redirects and so much more. So you can go through the features of this app, and once you want to install it, go ahead and install it and try it out. So that's another method to edit URL redirects on your Shopify store.